Hi and welcome to Creative is our hobby channel. Today we make grow a garden tutorial and this part 1 plot system, and let's go. But first, this is the full game that we will make. We will make plots folder, then plot model, and make 4 folder: first farm model folder and plants folder and sign folder and values folder. And I will put the owner tag and the player sign I description. Then we will make module script, name it plot manger in replicated storage, then see the script. Then we will make script, name it player setup in server script service, then see the script. Time to test. Thanks for watching and see you in the new video.